Hello, I want to make a reservation for 2 people, please.
Okay. Oh, yes. What time do you want?
At 7 o'clock in the evening, please.
Okay. See you at 7 o'clock.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Hello. Do you want a table for 2 people?
Yes, please.
Right this way. I want a salad, please.
I want a pizza, please.
I want orange juice too.
I want water, please. Okay, I will bring your food and drinks. Bye. The pizza is very good. I like it.
I like it too.
Can I have the bill, please? Yes, here is the bill.
Thank you. The food is very good.
Thank you. We are happy.
Look at the city. There are many places.
There is a bank in the city. There is an office in the city. There is a hospital in the city.
There is a school in the city. There is a supermarket in the city.
There is a park in the city.
There is a restaurant and a police station in the city.
What do you do?
I am a teacher. And you?
I am a chef. Where do you live?
I live in a small house. And you?
I live in a big apartment.
This box is big.
And this box is small. Little lie stays. This exercise is easy.
This exercise is difficult.
The dog is big.
The cat is small. Why? This game is easy.
This game is difficult.
She lives in Paris.
She drinks coffee every morning.
I work in an office.
I go to work by bus.
She works in marketing.
I drink coffee in the morning. She reads a book in the evening.
We go to the park on weekends.